Namaste. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to talk to you about Khechri Mudra today. So, what is Khechri Mudra? What is it used for? I'll be going and explaining all that to you in this video. So, to start off with, Khechri Mudra is basically you turn your tongue inwards and try and touch the palate. So initially it is going to be really hard because some people do not have their tongue so flexible. So try and touch. I can't show you because it's inside the mouth. What you do is you close your eyes, get your tongue out, and then flip it back and try and touch the palate. So first touch the hard palate after a few days. If you're comfortable with that, try and swallow so your tongue actually starts reaching the back. And then further, when you get more advanced in the technique, really touch the tonsil area. So why do we use this technique? With this technique, there have been some descriptions in scriptures. This technique is used to actually get the ether energy. So Durga Saptasati, there's a prayer in that where Siddha Kunjika Stotra, where it says पांग पिंग पुंग पार्वती पूर्ण हो खाम खीम खूम के रूप में खेचरी या खेचरी मुद्रा हो. So it's referred to as feminine form. The Khechri Mudra actually gives you a level where you can actually access, it's a very powerful technique where you can access like past life, and also you can also access different dimensions. So it will give you that much power to actually work on your third eye as well, open the third eye. The technique is very simple. You have to practice turning your tip of the tongue needs to touch the back of your tonsil area or where the air channel is. So when you can actually stop some of the siddhas, they can actually control their breath with that mudra. The other thing is when you actually flip your tongue backwards, you're actually saving energy, because when I speak or when anyone speaks, when you see, when you hear, you're actually using your energy, which can be used for internal or self-development or self-realization. So it's all these techniques are used to actually stop your actions outward and turn them inward. So basically, when you do this, when you're doing the Khechri Mudra, you have to concentrate on your third eye. So when you close your eyes, sit in a cross-legged posture, have your back straight. When you flip the tongue, try it with the upper palate first, and then go to the softer, and then when you try and reach there, just focus on your third eye, and you will start getting some intuition. When you do this mudra, any time, any day, the more you do it, the better results you will get, because the more energy you keep within yourself is the energy which you can help convert it into spiritual energy. So I hope this has helped you in some or the other way. Try this technique. Let me know how you feel, how you go about doing these practices. If you have any questions, please do write me in comment section, and I'll respond to you as soon as possible. Till then, thank you and namaste.